Do you know the benefits of chamomile? What about the benefits of lemon? Have you ever heard about chamomile and lemon tea? Did you know that this combination is excellent to alleviate and prevent many diseases? Chamomile and lemon tea is rich in medicinal properties. Chamomile has properties that stimulate healing and is also antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and soothing. It is largely used to treat skin irritations, colds, nasal inflammations, sinusitis, bad digestion, diarrhea, insomnia, anxiety, nervousness, and trouble sleeping. Many of the benefits of lemon are: improves digestion, boosts immunity, has anti-inflammatory properties, and many other benefits that you can learn about by watching the suggested video. This combination seems very interesting, doesn't it? Write down the ingredients. 1 tablespoon dried chamomile flowers, juice of 1 lemon freshly squeezed, 1 tablespoon honey to sweeten, 6.75 ounces hot water. To make this tea, put the chamomile flowers in the hot water, close and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then strain, add the lemon juice, and drink. It is recommended to drink this tea 15 minutes before going to sleep. If you want to improve your digestion and boost your immunity, try this tea. Then share your opinions with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.